Hello, hello.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good now that you told me you're good.
Yes, I'm feeling fabulous.
Yeah, that's all that counts. That's all that counts. Is mom there?
She's right here.
Okay, hey, how you doing, mom? Or Inez, I'm sorry.
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm close to perfect. How can I help you today?
My daughters gave me the phone to talk to you, but I'm
Yes.
not sure what you're expecting of me.
Oh, okay. Well, she said you had some illnesses, maybe that I could help out with. So, what did you have going on?
She has dementia.
Dementia? Okay.
She has kidney failure,
Okay.
and she has weakness in her body.
Okay. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to close my eyes, and you could close your eyes too through the process. You could just relax, close your eyes, feel good, all that good stuff. You could talk to me if you wanted to, like if you had anything to say, if you feel something or so forth. You could. I'll still have my eyes closed, and I can respond to you. Okay. I just won't open. I just won't open my eyes until we're done. Okay.
Okay.
And so when I'm done, I'll just say I'm done, and then you could open your eyes.
Okay.
Okay. Let's try my best to go ahead and give you some relief. Okay, so that's dementia, kidney. Did you say kidney failure or kidney?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. And weakness. Okay. What's that coming from right there? What's that from?
My throat. My throat.
Okay. Is that a regular thing right there? Are you ill from your throat or something?
No. No.
No.
No.
Okay. Do you know what that's from, or is that just a regular once in a while cough or something?
It's a cough that comes back and forth.
Okay. Glad we caught that. Okay. All right. You can close your eyes now. I'm going to close mine too. Okay, I'm done. How do you feel?
I feel okay.
Do you feel better than when we started?
I feel about the same.
About the same? Okay. Did you have any pains in your body before we started?
No, I didn't have any pain right now, but usually I do have a lot of pain.
Okay. All right. Did you have the pains before we began?
I had a little bit of pain, yes.
Oh, okay. You don't now?
No.
Okay. I believe your daughter said you had some challenges walking.
Yes.
Can you test it right now and just maybe take a step or two or something like that to see, how you feel?
Go ahead and walk. How you feeling?
I don't have any feeling. I don't know.
Is it hard for you to walk?
No,
So walk over to the wall and come back. Come on back. Does it hurt to walk?
No, it doesn't hurt. It doesn't hurt to walk, no.
No.
Mm-mm.
Okay, sit back.
Good. Good.
She walked all the way over to the wall and came back.
Now I don't know if that's normal or is that normal or?
No, she usually needs her walker.
Oh, I'm so glad. Okay. How does your breathing feel?
Okay, my breathing is fine.
Okay. Yeah, because you remember how you were coughing at the beginning? I just wanted to see if that helped clear it up,
I don't have any problem walking,
What about coughing? Remember you was coughing?
but I have a cough that I don't know, it doesn't never go away.
Do you feel like you want to cough now?
No.
Good.
Do I have to breathe a certain way or?
No, I mean just how you normally do it. I don't want you to do anything different than you do, through your everyday.
You want me to breathe the same way I've been breathing?
Yeah.
Yeah. Don't change nothing.
Oh, okay. Am I supposed to do something special or?
No, nothing special. I just want to see if you feel better. If you feel more clear. I know your legs feel better now since you weren't able to walk. Now you could walk to the wall, especially without the walker. I just want to see if your airway's clear. If you feel anything I don't know if your kidneys, if that gives you pain or anything like that, or if there's none right now.
So she takes dialysis 3 times a week.
Okay.
So they run on the first week of May. They're gonna run some tests and we'll see.
Okay. You feel better?
I feel it's about the same.
Okay. Well, as long as you're doing better, though.
Yes.
Yeah. Shay, what do you think?
I don't know. She looks better.
I mean, you would know best since you take care of her every day. I take care of my mom too every day, so I could tell, things she can't do, things she could do. I could tell all the time.
Right, but I know she wasn't able to walk to the wall and back without her walker.
Okay.
Because her walker's over to the left, and she didn't even go over to the left to get it.
I seen that.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Thank you so much.
Oh, it's my pleasure. It's always my pleasure to serve everyone.
Yes, I'll contact you and let you know about her progress.
Okay, cool. Yeah, that sounds great.
Okay.
And if you can make a comment or a video, that'd be great too.
Thank you. Okay,
Yeah,
definitely.
I appreciate it. Yeah, I definitely do want to hear about her.
Okay. Thank you
Okay.
so much.
All right. Thank you. Bye, Inez.
Bye-bye.
All right. You have a good one.
Okay.
Okay. Take care. Love you.
Bye-bye.
Okay.